Today we're going to talk about some of the most overlooked mistakes in curtain installation and how to avoid them to completely improve your home style and sense of space. Hi, I'm Amy, and welcome to our channel. If you like our content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the little bell so that you don't miss any new videos. First, let's look at the first common mistake: installing the curtain rod too low. Many people tend to install the rod at the top of the window frame when hanging curtains. However, this practice can make the window appear smaller than it actually is and affect the overall room decor. Installing the curtain rod too low can visually lower the height of the room, making the window look cramped. The correct approach is to install the curtain rod closer to the ceiling, creating a seamless visual effect from floor to ceiling. This adjustment not only directs the eye upwards, but also emphasizes the room's height, making the window and ceiling appear more spacious and grand. Give it a try, and you'll be surprised by the significant change this simple adjustment can bring. Next, we're going to talk about another common mistake: using a rod that is the same width as the window. While this may seem reasonable, it actually affects the overall effect. A rod that is the same width as the window will make the window appear smaller, while blocking some light and making the room look less spacious and bright. The correct approach is to choose a rod that extends about 3 to 6 inches from each side of the window. Not only does this make the window appear larger, it also prevents the curtains from blocking natural light, making the room brighter and more open. The third common mistake is to use a flimsy curtain rod. Although lightweight rods are easier to install, they usually cannot bear the weight of curtains for a long time. Flimsy rods are easy to bend and may even break or fall, posing a safety hazard. The right choice is a sturdy metal or wooden rod. Make sure the rod diameter is wide enough, and use a sturdy bracket that can bear the weight of the curtain. This not only ensures safety, but also makes the curtain more stable, and the overall effect is neater and more beautiful. We hope these tips help you create a more attractive curtain decor in your home. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'll continue to share more practical tips on home decor. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.